Hey guys, I'm here with Annie and Chris. What we're doing right now is the soap demo where we have our soft water that we got out of my little mini water softener with their rag and their bowl. Now we're going to give it a shake. Let's see what we got going on here. Let's open it up. Let's see. Shook it a little bit. Let's see if we have any soap in there. So we really didn't add any soap to it, but what we do, squeeze this out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take that out. Let's put that bowl back on. You want to film me? There you go. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how much soap scum that just brought off. So now if you go like that, that all just came from your rag.
Wow.
Just from the water softener, the soft water. So when you see that, you really start to get a better understanding of how much the water softener really does clean your clothes and basically everything. And then, do you have a clean bowl I can grab? Something that I can see through?
Yeah.
Because this is huge too, because what I'm going to do is I'll pour this in a see-through cup, and you can literally see the soap scum come off of it. Yeah, we never added any soap to this.
How about if I just...
Oh, that's perfect. Can you see through it? Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's not a problem. Maybe that jar right there. This guy right here.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this. So you want to hold this real quick. I'm going to pour this in here, and you can see how, typically the water is supposed to be clear. But you see, can't really see through that. It's all full of soap scum.
Wow.
But I mean, we just really shook this for probably about 15, 20 seconds. But it's a cool little water experiment, right?
Oh yeah.
Let's
start your camera on.
I need to finish it.